It gives me immense pleasure to be present at this Memorandum of Understanding signing ceremony between the Government of Assam and policy think tank Pahle India Foundation today. In the field of analytical research, Pahle India Foundation has earned the reputation of an extremely credible institute for its high quality inputs that immensely facilitate important policy formulation. As we ink this MOU today, I thank Dr. Rajiv Kumarji, founder and chairman of this institute, who is also the former vice chairman of Niti Aayog, and the institute's strong and dedicated team of researchers for the partnership with our government to realize growth vision of our state. In our vision for economic growth, our government has taken initiative of district-led economic development. Our government aims to promote district as the fulcrum of administration and center of growth for the state. A policy to that effect has already been approved by the state government on April 29 this year. To realize this vision, we need extensive research at the district level for estimation of district gross domestic product, GDP at the district level, to help in preparation of district vision document. With the sustained efforts of our government, the financial position of the state has considerably improved in recent years. Assam is today one of the fastest growing states of India. The GSDP is rising, which is a reflection of our economic and financial growth. Honorable Prime Minister of India, during our various conclave he had with the Chief Minister, he made tremendous emphasis that now district should be the fulcrum of the development. He also laid a great emphasis that the state the GDP should be some kind of cumulative GDP of district. As such, calculating district GDP become very, very important. So in nutshell, we are trying to strengthen the district administration, and the next batch of reform will come immediately after delimitation process, as we are going to notify another administration platform, which will be known as a sub-district collectorate, where all the routine works will be delegated. That sub-district will be at the constituency level, and in that sub-district, all the routine works will be done. In the district level, Deputy Commissioner will sit as a CEO. All the district offices will be under his authority, and from there, he will have team and he will have dedicated line departments through which he will try to generate economic activity, social empowerment, and also infuse a sense of competition among the district. So today MOU will be very, very important. Once district GDP will be known to various districts, I am sure that there will be a sense of competition. District administration will try to find out their strength, they will try to find out their weakness. District administration will try to find out unutilized resources which can now be used so that their GDP can go up. So that kind of a competitive atmosphere will be created at the district level, and of course state government will adopt a role of facilitator so that we can encourage all the districts to have a healthy competition among themselves. So I am sure that we'll learn a lot in this process from the Pahle India Foundation. This is one of the vision of Prime Minister. Gradually Assam is trying to implement his dream, his vision.